My new yoga mat is finally here. Link to order below. Hi friends, it's Coach Vigue. Very windy today, so the first half of this video will be a voiceover. This is the most relaxing yoga stretch in the universe. Great for all levels, all body weight, no weights or machines. Click that like button and let's go. And beginning in a seated cross-legged position. Nice movements around, moving the head, moving the neck, adjusting the cap. We're going to focus on some deep breathing here. Take the fingers outside and sway it back and forth. You can also extend the legs forward if you wish. A lot of focus on breath and keeping those shoulders back and down. Speak of the devil, let's do some shoulder rolls. Inhale up, exhale, bring them back and down, opening the chest. Take some time here to release, renew, and invigorate your whole body. It is time. Big shoulder rolls up and back, and then alternating one at a time. Inhale up, exhale back, getting some beautiful rotation. If you haven't noticed, I've slipped into my relaxing yoga voice. Planting the glutes down, take the arms out to the sides again, fingers down. Let's take that head side to side. Rolling the chin across the chest, or keep the neck nice and long on top and sway back and forth. It's up to you. Always use control and modify as needed. Back and forth, exhaling across. Inhaling on the sides, sitting up tall. Relax your jaw, so no clenching of the teeth here. Back to the center and pull your arm across. We have a delicious shoulder stretch here. I like to bring it on slightly a diagonal. And then move that arm as you wish. I'm doing some rotations here, wiggling the fingers. Keep it all very loose. And of course, deep breathing. My breath in through the nose, out the nose. Now place the hand on the head or the arm behind you and pull backwards. Or pull to the side rather as we sway side to side, stretching your lats, your lower back, your tricep. Side to side. In that beautiful breeze. All right, that was pretty good. Now lace the fingers, not in front, but behind you. It's called the mudra. What you're going to do is pull your shoulders back and down. Add any kind of movement you like. You'll find me on any sort of mountaintop, whether it's Tennessee, Montana, or Colorado, or a field in Wisconsin. I'm always doing some kind of stretch. I got to get outside with the breeze, open up the posture. Now, let's go the other side with that arm across. Shoulder stretch, my friends. But anywhere, anytime, utilize the greatest gym we will ever have, which is your body. It's with you 24/7. I find as the years tick by, I gravitate so intensely towards the body weight only training. Definitely favored and something I can take with me anywhere. Now take the hand to the head or the arm across, your choice. And find that stretch. We like to balance out both of the sides, of course, and sway it side to side. Just came back from Montana, actually. So when I film this, little tight. I can be active all day, no big deal, but if you put me in a seated position for a while, whether on a plane or a car, just wreaks havoc on my body. So definitely very welcome to come up to this ridge, this hill in Tennessee and stretch with you. Quick shirt tuck in. What do you think of that shirt? There we go. Here's the mudra again. Draw those shoulders back. You can also bring your palms together in the mudra, expanding the chest, shoulders back and down, which is a godsend. Relax the jaw because all day those shoulders are rolling forward. Now we make circles, hands on the knees. Exhale forward, inhale back, churning and invigorating your sides, your lower back, and your abdominals. Both directions, of course. You'll catch me smiling a lot. I just do that. I enjoy myself so much filming these videos for you and with you. Right after I filmed this, a couple rabid dogs came up, barked at me for a while, so that was enjoyable. Side bend. Both sides. Hand down or forearms, sitting. You can always shake out those legs if you need to. I know you get kind of stiff in this one position. So anytime, pause the video, shake them out. Speak it right here. Look at this. Coach Vigue is doing it. Right you are, Ken. Arms out. Bring the arms up. Fingers reach into the sky. And cactus arms, very slowly. You're drawing your elbows back. Opening your breath. The breath just gushes through with the inhales and the exhales, of course. Hold it for a moment. Awesome. Thumbs up. Now, coming to child's pose. Shake out the legs. Knees hip width or a little wider. There's a very, very relaxing shirt tuck right there. Oh, man, that almost put me to sleep. That shirt tuck was wild. Now press back into child's pose. We're going to massage. Give that spine the spa treatment, my friends. Any movement you like in the child's pose. Side to side. I'm going to do some slides here, really lengthening and expanding. I mean, sure, watch the video, but I'm telling you, get down and do it. These are all designed to follow along. They're in real time. Do them with me and feel and look so much better within a few minutes every single day. Okay, now slide those hands forward. And if you're able, bend the arms. We have a beautiful tricep, tricep stretch right here. We got the hands together. I want you to relax your armpits down. It's going to cause this beautiful chain reaction that's going to massage and release your lower back, getting the natural curve in the back. Tailbone reaching back. Don't worry, we're alone right here. You can do whatever pose you like. The wild dogs haven't shown up yet. Tuck the toes or tops the feet on the mat. Take that breath. Send the breath down the spine. All right, slowly coming out of it, and we thread the needle. Bring the arm across. Again, on a diagonal, more effective stretch. Rock that pose side to side, forward and back, whatever feels amazing. Then we go to the other side, opening up your middle back. Always think, and of course, visualize the space happening in those tight areas. You don't want constriction or running out of room. You want openness. You want a big field, a big meadow. Breathe into those areas. All right, coming out of it, rocking forward a little bit. The knees come forward. Shoulder rolls, smiling. Look just like my dad there, which is always great. Cap switch. This is my old Target cap. I haven't worn this in years. That's right, Sean. Put your arms out. I think I was enjoying the moment. Come down onto your back. All right. A little wardrobe fix. Pull the knees into the chest. Head up or down. You can always put a pillow down there. Rocking side to side. Fingers are loose. Toes are loose. It's a beautiful massage in the spine. I think the wind has died down, so any moment now, I'm going to go live. Boy, is that exciting. Circle those knees. Stirring. I taught a guest class in Montana at the Montana Athletic Club in Big Fork. I've taught a lot there, and for some reason, this is one of their favorites.
Hey, it's me, Coach Vigue Live. The wind has died down just a little bit. Let's keep those circles going. Other direction. Wiggle the fingers and the toes. You know, I love to speak live during my videos. Wanted to spare you from that wild, wild wind. All right, left leg down, right knee into the chest. Head up or down, move it a little side to side, or place the foot flat. And there's the breeze. Enjoy that breeze, my friends. We're outside. Best place to be for these flows. Now, take this leg up or keep it bent all the way over. We got a full twist. Let me zip up my pocket. I don't want you to see what I'm keeping in my pocket. I gotta have some secrets, right? Take this arm up and down. You're gonna unlock things you didn't even know were there. Hidden levels in the Legend of Zelda right here. Boom. Set the bomb there. Open up that door. Do-do-do-do-do. Right for your shoulders, chest, right here. Back to the center. Left knee in, right foot flat, or right leg down. Find your spot, move around in it. And when you're ready, twist. With this left arm up and down. I'm going to drag mine right through the poison ivy just for you. Lots of breathing, of course, always more breath. Exercise the lungs. Oh my goodness. So much releasing, so much relaxing, so much renewing. And in the middle of all that is that energy. You strip away the distractions, the gunk, the moss, whatever you want to call it. And you got nothing but raw energy and focus just waiting for you. Okay, back to the center, knees in. One more time, hug them in. If you want a little more, grab the feet and sink the tops of your thighs down onto your chest. Definitely a much deeper stretch for your back. It's up to you. What's that sound? All right, shake it out, full body stretch if you like. Oh, I like that stretch. I'm trying not to get into the grass too much. How'd that feel? You feeling relaxed? Take a nap right now. Go ahead. If not, make sure you click that like button. Gets this out to more and more people. Subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts, my friends. It's me, Coach Vigue. From somewhere in Tennessee, I think. I'm on a hillside. But thanks for following along. Tell your friends, share it on, and make sure you also check this out. Okay. Love you too, Addie. And she's got poop on her head. She got poop on her head, didn't she? Oh, she got poop on her head.